let's start right now. So as you can see here, doing laundry in Ghana, it's a little process and a little skills into it. You can do so many laundries at a time. Within an hour, you should finish depending on how much load of laundry you have to make. And so we have the process this way. And you can see we have our soap because I have a white clothes to wash. So I have my Clorox, we have our wooden pegs, we have the laundry soap that you can choose from to use to do the laundry. And then we have our clothing. We have our clothes that we are going to wash. Now we have, and then you will see our three process of hand washing clothes or anything. You have a big tote. Depending on what you have, you can use a bucket. As you can see on here, I'm using bucket and tote. So if you have totes, you fill the tote to the half with water, depending on how much soaking you are going to be making with the clothes. And then we have another one, which is the second process. So there is water in another bucket. And then the third process, which is just the rinsing, where you rinse the water. Or you can move from left to right. So I'm going to be moving from left to right. You can go from right to, it doesn't matter. Just as you can make your laundry so fast. That's how we make it. And so I'm going to be soaking the clothing in this first bucket, and then the second wash is going to be in here, and then the last wash, which is going to be the rinsing here. Now to start, since I have a white clothes that I'm going to be washing, I'm going to use warm water for this, so it will take the stains, whatever stains I have in here, will take it off, and then we'll make the white mix whiter, cleanse them whiter. So that is another trick that we use when it comes to washing white clothes. So myself, I am sitting on this little stool. It helps support your back. So when you're doing a lot of laundry, you have to sit down. That helps a lot. So that is the process, and I want to share this with you. So please, let's start right now.